equations is an expression that compares two equal values. So here are some examples. Let's start with an easy example about an equation. X minus 5 equals 10. Try to solve it. So now we have solved this equation. The solution is x equals 15. But how did we solve it? We just had to add 5 to each expression. X minus 5 plus 5 equals 10 minus 5 plus 5. So we got x equals 10 plus 5, and so x equals 15. And remember, you always have to check. Therefore, 15 minus 5 has to be equal to 10. And that statement is true. So our solution is correct. Now try to solve this equation. 6x equals 3. You have now solved the equation. Your solution will be x equals 1/2. But first of all, how did we solve this? Here again, we had to isolate x. Isolating x is practically our mission, our goal to solve an equation. So in this case, we had to divide by 6 to isolate x. And so 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1/2 or 0.5. And to check, we always have to check, we just have to plug in 1/2 at the place of x. So 6 times 1/2 equals 3. And that statement is true. So x equals 1/2 is our solution. The next equation will be the following. 4 out of x equals 1/2. You have now solved the equation. And your solution will be x equals 8. But again, how did we solve this equation? Here we used cross multiplication. You just have to multiply a numerator by the other denominator and the other denominator by the other numerator. So 4 times 2 should equal x times 1, or x. So x equals 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. And again, let's verify our solution. We just have to plug in 8 at the place of x, and 4/8 is actually equal to 1/2. So x equals 8 is our solution. Your next equation will be x plus 3 out of 4 equals x plus 5 out of 2.